This is one of the unique prepaid public water stand points to serve congested urban areas who can't afford having private piped water in their homes.
This community is full of young children, toddlers, babies, and adolescents who are still in very small homesteads, but they do not have water supply. Kampala Alibad identified the need of water supply in this area.
The residents of Lubya have got unique key as an enabler to fetch water on this point.
Quality of life in this area in terms of disease prevention, treatment and control, accessibility of water, convenience of water, and the rate which is user-friendly because it is fairly cheap. That will definitely help the people of this area to have better quality of life.
The urban community challenges, especially in Kampala suburbs, warrants collective responsibility of private and public stakeholders.
Have that big challenge, and being as a leader, people they are complaining on my side that we don't have any solution. But let us use that chance, calling all leaders, especially in the government, our MP, to help us so that we can get that support, so that we can finish that problem of water.
National Water and Sewerage Corporation has committed instant service to the community at a low cost of 25 shillings per jerrycan of water and is planning to erect more public stand water points in other areas. Abdul Nasser Lubwama, UBC News.